Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up parental controls on Google Play. Parental controls on Google Play can help ensure your children access only age-appropriate apps, games, movie, and other content. This is how you can set it up. First, let's just launch the Google Play Store app on your Android device, and then you can access the settings by tapping on your profile icon at the top, and then here click on the settings on the menu. After that, here you can click on this family, click on the drop down, so you can just tap on parental controls. You can see it now, it's currently off. You can just tap on it. So toggle the parental control switch to on, just go like this. And here you need to create a content pin, so you'll use this pin to change settings for parental controls. So you can just enter a 4-digit pin to prevent unauthorized changes to the parental control settings. After you create the pin, you can tap on OK and re-enter the pin. Click on OK. And now you can just configure the content restrictions in here. You can just tap on app and games and set the maturity level. You can just click on this. Okay, I need to turn it on first. Click on this, and here you can just adjust between rated for 3+ until 18+. You can just adjust it to how you like it, and then tap on save. So for books, you can also set restriction for restrict with explicit content, for example. Click on save. And here you can also set restriction based on movie ratings, TV show if there's shown in here. So after that, you can also block music label as explicit if there's any. So once you set the maturity level or settings, you can just click on save, and then you can just go back, and now the parental controls will be applied, and just like that it will be done. So tips for you: you can use Google Family Link app for additional parental controls, including screen time limits and application activity monitoring. You can also periodically review and update the maturity level as your child grows. And don't forget to regularly check the apps your child installed to ensure compliance. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.